This is the helicopter flying handbook. This will be the glossary. We'll slowly video it so I can study it later. See how this comes out. But I should be able to pick this up on anything that is connected to the internet. So if you come up on something, we can just pause it. Alright. So we did. So that is the glossary of the rotorcraft flying handbook, which is a front cover. Rotorcraft flying handbook, front cover, and acknowledgments. 2012. Preface. Acknowledgments. Yeah, other than doing the rotorcraft flying handbook, which is actually newer. That's what they requested. They wanted this one. Alright, I'll do it. Okay, that's it. See ya.